Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. I'm so sorry that I'm in my car, but I realized I did not film an introduction to the video about these lashes while I was at home. But I used the Kiss Trio lashes. I'll show that to you in a second. And I also used the Kiss glue. This is my very first time putting on any type of lashes. I wanted to do individuals, but I don't have the money for that. And the strip lashes are a little bit intimidating. So here's what they look like on, as well as in the thumbnail, and I'll put that here. But I like these lashes. They were actually pretty easy, and I think you should try them. So watch this. I got the lash glue in black because my friend said it would work better, and it made sense since my liner is black and the lashes are black. These are the trio lashes in medium that I got. It comes with short and medium in the pack. This time I only used short. I used my own tweezers because I didn't have a lash tool and it worked fine. And of course I needed scissors to get the pack open and also trim the lashes because I ended up using one medium lash too. There are directions on the back of the glue. It tells you how to put just a little bit on the end of the lash before you put it on. The lashes that I got actually comes with a little glue like compartment, but I didn't put the glue in there. I didn't notice that until I had put the glue on another piece of plastic. I started off with the short length. I didn't know how like dramatic it would look. It's my very first time doing these lashes. And I was going to a photo shoot for a friend. Didn't want to look overly like dramatic, but I also wanted my lashes to pop a little bit. Dipping it in the glue, I wasn't really sure how much to use. The pack said only use a dab, but I also wanted it to stick. So I put a little bit extra. It ended up being fine. Just a few little dabs worked out well. I think this is the second lash that I put on, and I just wanted it to work. I wanted it to stay on. I wanted that glue to kind of dry so it wouldn't be so like wobbly. I flipped around the tweezers because I didn't want to poke myself in the eye. And when I did that, that really helped me push the lash in place and get it close enough to the line to where it looked like my actual lashes. I'm speeding this part up a little bit because it's just me placing another lash. I know y'all don't have all day and I want you to see how I'm doing it, but I don't want you to be stuck here all day watching me just poke at my eyes. Also, I'm going to curl my own lashes before I do this next time. It took me a few tries, but I really wanted to make sure I got close to my lash line. I was looking at some other videos and they were saying if you don't get close enough to your lash line, you'll kind of see your lid between your real lashes and the false lashes, and that's not what you want. So I did make sure to be very careful, and it was easier on my right eye because I'm right-handed. I did have a little bit more trouble on the left side than I did on the right side. I worked my way from the outside corner to the inside corner because that's what I heard works out best. I was also told that it's more natural to put the lashes underneath your real lashes at the waterline versus on top, but I wasn't putting it underneath. I can't do that right now. Here's what it looks like halfway done with just the right side. You can see a dramatic difference even with the short lashes. I was really excited. So I skipped the video ahead and I'm actually trimming one of the medium lashes. I'm on the other side of my face now and I'm finishing up, but I needed one of the medium lashes because I messed up one of the smalls. So I took a medium lash and just used my scissors and trimmed it a teeny tiny bit so it would be the same length as the short ones. The left side took a little longer, but I did work from the outside in like I did on the right side. In the middle, like by the crease of my eye, I used my fingers just to make sure it was actually on the lash line. It felt better than using the tweezers. Next time I do this, I'm going to use eyeliner on my upper lid before I start putting these on. But that's it. Everything came out great. I really liked them and I'm going to use them again.